how to automate your forms and surveys. So in this video, I'll show you 5 best and amazing survey automation ideas. So before that, let us first understand what are surveys. So the process of collecting the information and feedback from a group of people, from a group of customers in order to get the answers of your question or in order to get a valuable information are surveys. And why one should even automate their survey process, what are the benefits of automating the survey process. So the very first thing, the very first benefit is that real time responses. So when you are going to conduct your surveys with traditional approaches, with manual approaches, of course you will have to wait for the responses, maybe for months, maybe for weeks. But here, if you're going to automate this process, you will get the responses very quickly in real time. The second thing is that you can actually forget about the human errors with automated surveys. Yes, if you will automate this process, of course the chances are very less of the errors. The third benefit we have of automating the survey processes, it is going to take a very less time. So let's say if you are following up the traditional approach, you will have to create a survey form and then you'll have to share it with the people manually. But when you're going to automate this process, of course the less number of people will required here, and this is how it will be done in a very cost effective way. And lastly, you can sit back and relax and focus on other important tasks because everything is going to happen with the help of automation. So let us discuss what are those 5 best and amazing ideas to automate your forms and surveys. So let us discuss these 5 ideas one by one. So very first idea we have in the list is how you can automatically share a survey form on WhatsApp in bulk. So let's say you have the data of your customers, basically the name, email address and the WhatsApp number into the spreadsheet. Now you have created a survey form into the Google Forms which you would like to share with the people on their WhatsApp. So either you can send that particular survey form manually to each person one by one, or you can create an automation that it will get sent automatically to all the people on their WhatsApp. Yes, you can actually send your survey to all the people automatically on their WhatsApp. Want to learn how you can do that? Well, I have created a separate automation tutorial on the very same topic. You can actually visit my description box and check for the same automation, that how you can achieve it. Okay, now after sharing your survey form to all the people one by one, of course now you want to send a WhatsApp message to each person who are actually submitting your survey form, who are submitting your Google Forms. And here we have another automation on the same topic, that how you can automatically send WhatsApp message on Google Forms submission. Yes, it is possible. As soon as the person is going to submit the form, you can automatically send a WhatsApp message. Again, I have created a separate tutorial that how Google Forms and WhatsApp can be integrated, and how whenever the form is submitted, how one can send a WhatsApp message. So if you want to automate this kind of process in your survey, you can again watch this particular video and create this automation for yourself. Moving further, we have another automation in the list, that is how to automatically send SMS on new form submission. So it doesn't matter whether you are using the Elementor forms, Google Forms or Jot form. If you want that whenever the person is going to submit your survey form, he or she should automatically get an SMS, then this automation is for you, because here I have taught, basically my team has taught that how one can send SMS on new form submission in Elementor. So go to my description box and check this amazing automation idea where you can start sending the SMS to all the people who are submitting your survey form. Moving further, we have another list in our automation is how to automatically print your survey forms with customer details. Okay, so you have already learned that how you can send your survey form in bulk automatically on WhatsApp, and if they are going to submit your form, how you can automatically send the text messages or how you can automatically send the WhatsApp messages. Now the fourth automation is all about whatever the responses they are actually filling out by filling the form, how you can print those responses, or how you can print the survey details automatically. Yes, whenever someone is going to fill your survey form, you can automatically immediately print that survey without doing anything manually. If you want to learn how you can do that, my team has already recorded a separate video on the same. Go to my description box and check this amazing automation ideas and start printing your survey details automatically with the help of this automation. Moving further, we have another automation idea in our list is how to automatically send the Google Forms responses to Slack. So if you want to share your survey details immediately with your team members, then this automation is for you. So assume that you have created your survey form via Google Forms, and whenever the survey form is filled, you can automatically share the response of your survey with your team members who is actually on Slack. Again, my team has recorded a separate video on how one can send the Google Forms responses to Slack automatically. So if you really want to automate this particular process, if you really want to start sharing your responses with your team on Slack, then this automation is absolutely for you. So in this way, it doesn't matter which application you are actually using in order to create your survey forms. You just need to connect your survey application with those tools which are actually required in automating your process with the help of an automation software. So this is how you can ease your work and start automating your survey process very effectively, which is definitely going to save a lot of your manual efforts and a lot of your time. If you really want to implement any of these automation in your survey process, the link of all the automation is available in the description box. Thank you for watching.